Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to cut the super popular wolf haircut. So the breakdown of the sectioning, super simple, center parting, and then we separate the front and back, and then we go straight down center back with our parting. The way that we cut it is super simple. You're bringing everything to the front and drawing that line. So we're going to call this an open haircut, and we're just really working that line through, and then I'm connecting the back. So once I get that point cut in the front, I'm connecting the back through, and now we're going to do the same thing on the left hand side. You don't actually have to layer the hair. You can actually just go in and remove some of that weight, create some texture just by gliding that tri-razor through. So see how I'm scooping the hair up and then I just slide through it. You're really just going to determine when you're cutting with a razor how long you want those layers to be. I'm going to hit it with a diffuser and just really bring a more natural style to this look. You can see it's a natural, textured, lived in, volumized haircut.